Hey YouTube, a little bit of a different video this week. We are currently in my parents' garage. Our garage is still filled with all those pieces of trees, so I can't really work on the car in there yet. And when we were on our ski trip in December, I noticed the car battery was cranking a little bit slow in the snow. And normally you would use one of these to check, but if you come take a look at the car, I have severely neglected it. And definitely don't do that. Please check your car batteries relatively frequently. Mine is super corroded, so I'm going to clean it up a little bit and show you guys how I used the multimeter last time I changed it. We're going to follow Chris Fix's video, and this number 12.5 is pretty normal. Once the car starts, it shouldn't drop below 10, and if it does, that means you probably need a new battery. For us, it doesn't really matter because mine's so corroded anyways, I just want a new one. The headlights has been on for about 2 minutes, and we are going to test anyways. All right, let's take a look. Just got back from Costco. I picked up the battery. And the internet says to just pour hot water over the corrosion and it should work. So let's give this a try. Hopefully that's actually pretty good. I ended up getting a group 34 because they didn't have the 25. So the internet says it should fit. I'm gonna keep doing that. I got the old one out and you guys can see the difference in size. According to the Subaru Outback forum, I just need to modify the plastic housing a little bit. So I'm gonna try to see if that will fit, and I'm going to clean all of this up a little bit because there's a lot of debris and it's kind of gross. It is nighttime. The cleaning took the longest. I ended up using a lot of baking soda and water. This old battery looks like it is from 2019, and the new one is in here. I marked 2022 and January. Let's finish installing. moment of truth. We need to make a new corrugated plastic because the size difference. And supposedly the Group 34 has more cold cranking amps, according to the Subaru Outback forum. We installed the hot end and then the negative end. Now let's see if it will start. Hopefully the car doesn't blow up. Okay, we got lights, that's good. Maybe it wants me to close the door. I have my keys. Okay. Well, I'm gonna figure this out. We'll be back. Okay, I think the car just needed a minute to boot up. The good news is the electronics are working, so I don't think I've fried anything. 18th video done.